Hello and a happy new year to you all. It's Helzie here from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have a sneak peek of new products that are coming to you on the 4th of January, and it is also a video hop with my wonderful friends over at Stamparound UK. Do please go to my description bar below. They will have all their names and all their links, and you can see the inspiration that has struck them. Today's theme is stamping, so that's what I like to do. I'm going to get started. I'm using the Flowering Tulips photopolymer stamp set today, and they do come with tulip dies. I've got them on the desk just to show you, means it's a sneak peek. However, I'm not going to be using those today. Okay, so the Flowering Tulip stamp set is a double stamp set, which means you can stamp these together and you get a real 3D effect using them. First of all, I'm going to be doing my sentiment. So I'm going to be doing this. This is what I love. The "You are so thoughtful" and "thank you." I think it's absolutely lovely. So I've got the stamp. I've got my ink. I'm going to be doing it in Memento, and I've got some scrap basic white. And what I've also got is one of my circles from the Layering Circles dies, and I've already laid it up and checked that it fits directly in there. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a block, ink it, stamp it and die cut it. How beautiful is that? I love it. And then that will just go over the top there. Now, my die cutting machine is just behind me on the desk, so give me 2 seconds and I'll be back with that cut out. Okay, so there we go, all die cut out and ready. So next up, what I've got is I have got my card base all folded, scored and ready to go, and I have got a sheet of basic white cardstock. This is 10 centimeters by 14.3 centimeters, so when it goes on the card it will just fit on like that with a small frame around it. Okay, I'm going to be using the larger of the tulips, this one here and this one here, and I'm going to be doing some double stamping. So let me show you what I mean by that. You're going to need some scrap cardstock or paper to go on the side. I was going to use my post-it notes, but I actually remembered I have got scrap grid paper, which will just be better really. Okay, and the colour I'm going to use is Flirty Flamingo because I love Flirty Flamingo. Right. Now what you need with these is you need both of these out and on your blocks. So I've got one there and one there. Okay, one of these has got more detail than the other one, this one, so that's the one you start with. And you want to ink that up and you want to stamp it on the grid paper, and then you're going to stamp it on your card, so you'll get a second generation stamp which will look like that. Then you're going to take this one and you're just going to stamp that straight over the top of your stamp. So let me just line it up. And it will create a nice tulip effect like that. Okay, so let's get going. So first up, it's the bottom one. What you want to do, is you want to work out exactly where you want your thoughtful and thankful sentiment to be. And I kind of want it to be there. So I'm just going to ink that up. And I'm just going to go just to the side of it, like that. Pop that there. And while I've got this one, I'm just going to do another one. And I'm going to do this one upside down, just there. So that when this comes over the top, it will look just like that. Okay. Grab this piece and line it up. Just trying to look where it's going with its line. I'm trying to see over the top. Unfortunately, you're just in the right position to see, and my head is just not. So let's see. There we go. That's that one lined up. I love tulips. They're my favourite flowers. I think they're so pretty. And I think that one's that lined up. We'll soon find out when I put it down. Just do it, Helz, just do it. Okay, lined up. Okay, I'm going to use soft suede because that's a gorgeous colour, and I'm going to grab this bit here, which is going to be the centre part of my tulip. So I'm just going to ink that up and drop that into the centre. Ink that up and drop that into the centre. Okay. Where's my sentiment? There we go. You are so thoughtful. Thank you, thank you. Oh, love double stamping. What a great way of doing a stamping card, doing double stamping. Love it. I have the gingham ribbon. So this was in the autumn winter catalogue, which is still current. Or, yeah, you can still buy from the autumn winter catalogue up until the 3rd of January. So anything that was in there is on our last chance clearance rack, so you can get some really good discounts on that. So that's going to go across there eventually. But before then, I just want to grab these little stars here, which are there. The Memento ink pad, which I popped to the back of my desk just up there. So, and I'm just going to, again, pop that where I want it. And these are just going to come out from the side like that. Okay. And do I want to pop anything else on? No, I think that's it. I was thinking about whether I want to put any leaves on, but I don't want to ruin it. I quite like it as it is. Simplicity is the best, honestly. So I'm just going to pop some snail through the middle where I was looking to put the sentiment. And I'm just going to pop the ribbon across like that. Okay. Chop it off. And turn it over and wrap it round. While I'm there, I'm just going to pop a load of adhesive to the back of the card so I can stick it onto my card base. Which is there. And then I'm just going to grab some dimensionals and pop this up. Stick it down. Bring back my ribbon and make myself a teeny, teeny, tiny little bow. Okay, I'm just going to pop that there. Where's my seal gone? Oh, got my finger stuck and not the ribbon. There we go. And finally, we have got these in the new catalogue. These are classic matte dots. So I'm just going to grab a few of these and pop them onto my card. And I'm going to grab the black ones here. And I'm just going to pop a few of them dotted around like that. And there you go, there's my stamping card for today. Double stamping, yay! Really simple, really easy, but I just so love this set. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. What are your thoughts on it? Don't forget to pop by and check everybody else's videos out. They're all in the description bar below. Just click the down arrow. Everyone else's will be there with links, and see what sets they've used. This set and these dots are all available on the 4th of January from the new mini catalogue. All available to purchase from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. See you all again soon. Have a lovely time, everyone. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store www.slimmandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimmandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.